Alexa, what is an anglerfish?
The anglerfish are fish of the teleost order Lophoforms. They are bony fish named for their characteristic mode of predation, in which a modified luminescent fin ray acts as a lure for other fish. The luminescence comes from symbiotic bacteria, which are thought to be acquired from seawater, that dwell in and around the estuary.
Alright guys, it looks like we're doing this underwater. And, well, it's already dark out, and, well, I thought now would be a perfect time for me to draw one of my favorites. In this vid, we're going to draw Ripjaws from Ben 10 Omniverse. I don't know, well, naming someone, one of their aliens, Ripjaws can actually be pretty cool, actually. So anyways, Ripjaws is one of the Omnitrix originals, and it allows Ben to breathe underwater, and, well, drawing him is quite easy. He's like a big walking anglerfish. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so when drawing Ripjaws, you must start with the eye first. Always start with the eye, people. Never forget that. Hey, remember that time when we went to the remember we went to the Coney Island Aquarium? That was actually kind of cool. Really, really cool. Okay, so when drawing this, you must start with his head. You must start with the teeth here. Be sure to draw like a few of these things. Now you just draw the headlights on his forehead. Next, you just draw the gills here. There we go. Now we just draw the fins. There we go. Now we just draw the. Now that we drew the head. There we go. Hold on. I think these were on the wrong side. Let's go up. There we go. There's his body here. Now we just draw the arm here. There we go. Now we just draw the claws here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we just draw the omniverse mark on his chest. I mean his belt. I meant his belt. Now we just draw the pelt. We draw the pelt here. And last but not least, we just have to draw the back fin. There are the gills. And there he is. That is how you draw Ripjaws from Ben 10 Omniverse. Shoot, a paper. So, did you guys enjoy our undersea expedition? And anyways, what's your favorite omniverse alien? And which version of Ripjaws do you prefer? The original, the Ultimate Alien, or the Omniverse version? So guys, I was thinking, what's your favorite sea animal? I'm putting together a contest, and leave a comment below on which one's your favorite. And please leave a comment below on what awesome character you want me to draw next. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Stegosaurus, see you later. I'll be under the sea.